Today I'm going to run through the different brands of tape holders that we have on the website. So these include DiamondBack, Badger and Occidental Leather. The two tapes that we're going to use to demonstrate the capacity is the Tajima 5m Class 1 tape, which is quite a slimline tape, it's our bestseller, and also a Milwaukee tape. This is one of Scott's ones. It's got that quite typical rugged plastic rubber outer coating, which does make it a chunkier tape, and the fit will be different to the slimline. So we're going to use these as a comparison on each of the tape holders that we have here. So starting with the DiamondBack ones and Badger, I'm going to show these off the belt and then I'll attach them to the belt to show you how they sit. So these attach with a 2-inch metal clip on the back, so they will hook onto any belt that has a webbed section up to 2 inches. So this is the Deluxe, which is their large size. It is made with diamond skin, which is a flexible heavy duty nylon. It has also extra organisation on the outside with elasticated holders for drill bits, etc. The Milwaukee 5m fits in there snugly, but it's a good fit. You can also push up the bottom of these pouches to be able to access the tape. The Tajima 5m fits in very easily. This is the GK1. The GK1 is more of a general small capacity tool pouch, but we thought it was a good demonstration for its ability to hold a tape as well. So see, tape fits in easily, and also the 5m is a nice fit in there too. The GK1 attachment, again, it is a clip on the back that will fit on a 2-inch belt. This is the small capacity tape holster by DiamondBack. Again, it's made with the same flexible diamond skin as the Deluxe one. Smaller capacity, so you can see the comparison of the sizes together. So this also has the 2-inch metal clip on the back. The Tajima fits in very easily, and then the 5m Milwaukee fits in. Again, it's quite a snug fit, but it's a good snug fit, and then you can just lift it out by pressing the base of the pocket upwards to remove the tape. So those are the three DiamondBack offerings. The Badger one is a general tool accessory pouch, so it's not designed specifically for a tape, but we thought it was a good one to include within this if you're a Badger fan. So you can either chuck it in the front there for easy access, it's got a wide mouth opening on that, or we have removed the clip on this, but in theory you could clip it onto your inside pocket there, as with the Tajima one. So that will fit on the top there. The Badger Tool Accessory has a hook and loop closure, so this will wrap around any belt up to 3 inches wide. I'll attach these now to this so you can see how they look. So this is all of these accessories attached to a Badger belt. So these three are clip-on. As you can see, the clip sits around the bottom of the belt, so you're not going to have movement on it. It holds it in securely. And then the Badger accessory is a hook and loop, so that will fit on any belt that has up to 3 inches, and if it has the Velcro section at the back like Badger or DiamondBack, it will hold it a bit more securely in place, so you have less movement. So that's where they all sit in relation to the belt, and then your tape pouch can sit into, your tape can sit into any of these then. So then running on to the Occidental tape holsters. So we have a 5035 belt. This is a 3-inch leather belt. I've threaded on these three accessories. So with all the Occidental ones that we have here, they have a loop on the back and you thread them onto a belt. So the three models that we're looking at, we have the 5522, which is a multi-function small capacity tool pouch. So you can fit your tape in the front of it, but it also has a holder for a chisel, pencil, screwdriver, depending on what your accessories are. So it has a bit of extra function. So that has the 5m Tajima in it. One thing to bear in mind with Occidental Leather, and they state this as well on their site and product descriptions, is that they have, obviously they're made of natural leather, so This leather is incredibly stiff when you first get it, and it will require a lot of breaking in. If you're already a fan and a user of leather pouches, you'll be well aware of this. But if it's something that you haven't considered and you're unsure of the differences between nylon and leather, you are going to have to work the leather a lot more to break it in. It will soften over time and it will provide more capacity, but to start off with, it's not going to be as smooth as putting a tape into a nylon pouch instead. So with this Milwaukee, we've removed the hook on the back, which they also advise, so you've got more space. It does fit in, but as you can see, it is more snug. This is a brand new item though, so it hasn't had wear and tear, but it is just something to bear in mind. And then there's a hole in the bottom so you can push your tape out of it. This is just a tape holder. As you can see, it has the hole in the bottom for pushing your tape up. This is the 5037. Easily fit in the Tajima, and then the Milwaukee does fit. It fits slightly easier than this one, and then you can just push it to release. This is a 5047. So the 5047 is a again a multi tool holder. So it's for your tape pouch, pencils, potentially a knife down the side. So this is, again, it's similar to this one. It's a bit more structured. So it's a bit of a squeeze to get your tape pouch in to start off with. And that's the 5 meter Milwaukee that's gone in there. And then the Tajima fits in very easily. So those are the main differences between the pouches. It all comes down to the material that you want to work with. So you've got your leather, which will need wearing in, but will soften over time and is durably made with lots of riveting. So they are very high quality. We've also got the DiamondBack and Badger offerings, which are made with more flexible nylon and are an easier fit straight off the bat with a chunkier, more robust cased tape. For example, that one, and Tajima. These attach with clips. This is with a hook and loop, and these loop on. So you can use any of these on a 2-inch belt, and you can use any of these on a 3-inch. Hope that gives you a bit of an overview.